So I'm having surgery in April and it's going to change a lot of stuff. So let's just get into it and I'll tell you what's going on and what the plan is for the next little while. Hi friends. I'm actually not sure if you'll ever see this clip, but um I feel like in real time feels most appropriate. So um I won't get into the whole rationale, but the short version is today I went to um talk to a surgeon because there was some concern that I had a hernia. Um, and the short version is I do. I have a hernia. And so basically, he said, like, because I'm a woman and I'm at higher risk for like complications if I wait. So I do need to have that taken care of. And some of you are probably like, Alexandria hernia. And you're absolutely right. But I am pretty scared. Just generally, like, I don't love like needles and stuff, but I just I don't know how to feel. I know it's only like 4 to 6 weeks, but like I just don't know how to feel about not being able to like be this version of myself for like 4 to 6 weeks. And so I'm just kind of struggling with that, I'll be honest. Like I said, I don't know if you'll ever see this, but so I'm pretty nervous about the surgery piece, but also kind of about like the recovery and what that's gonna look like and how long it's gonna like take to rebuild after having to like take 6 weeks off. So but the short version is I need to have a hernia repair, which is going to take me out of training for at least 6 weeks. So the protocol says 6 weeks of no more than 10 pounds, which obviously means I will not be allowed to lift heavy weights. And I'm pretty nervous, but the short version is, um, I that sort of changes the things that can and can't happen on the channel right now. Obviously, I do have a couple of things in the works that are already filmed that will be going up, as we go along. I've still got videos filmed and planned. It just might mean that any sort of challenges or anything that I had planned will be on a temporary hiatus until I sort of see what I'm allowed to do and not allowed to do. I'm thankful that it's small and that they're planning to do it robotically. And so theoretically, it shouldn't be like a super bad surgery. But my plan is to basically take you along for the ride with me if you'd like to come. Since I won't be able to lift, I'm going to have to basically just focus on nutrition and walking and sort of whatever's like allowed within um, my limits. So I figured I'd take you along with me, sort of like vlog style, if you'll have me, if you're interested. So that's what's planned for the channel. More of the same style of videos within the realm that I can do, and then some sort of follow along about recovery from surgery and things like that. So if that's interesting to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update as you're watching this. I have probably had the surgery. My plan is for this video to go up the day I have surgery, which is a Tuesday, April the 14th, I think. And so that is the plan. But I like to keep you guys in the loop so you know what's going on, what the plan is, and how it changes things. So, alrighty, my friends, I will see you on Thursday for your regularly scheduled program. At least that's the plan. All right, and until next time.